Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do another round of our spelling challenge. But this time, we are going to use the group 4 letter sounds. And of course, this will include group 1, group 2, and group 3 letter sounds as well. So, if you're in for this challenge, then let's get started! Here is our group 4 letter sounds: J, A, O, I, E, and OR. And of course, group 1, 2, and 3 letter sounds are also included for this spelling challenge. And here's how you do it. All you have to do is unscramble the letters to form the correct spelling word. And the first one will be done for you. So, here we go. The first word is cork. Next word is pain. Pain. And we have here our next word, rain. Rain. And here's another word, tail. Tail. Next in line is feet. Feet. This time it's chip. Chip. Next is soap. Soap. And the last one is road. Road. Now let's count how many correct spelling words you've got.